In this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways to get Crunchyroll on your Roku. Without further ado, let's get started. 1. Add Crunchyroll from the Roku channel store. First, press the home button on your Roku remote. Navigate to the Streaming Channels option and select Search Channels. Type Crunchyroll in the search bar. Once it appears, select Add Channel to install the app. After installation, open Crunchyroll and sign in, or create a new account. 2. Use screen mirroring from your smartphone. If Crunchyroll isn't available in the Roku channel store, you can use screen mirroring. On your Roku, go to Settings, System, Screen Mirroring, and select Enable. Then, mirror your smartphone screen, Android or iOS, by selecting Screen Mirroring from the Quick Settings. 3. Use a streaming device like Fire TV Stick or Chromecast. You can also use a third-party streaming device, such as Fire TV Stick or Chromecast, to cast Crunchyroll onto your Roku-connected TV. Simply install the Crunchyroll app on the device and cast to your Roku. 4. Use Roku web browser with third-party app. Some third-party apps allow you to use a web browser on Roku. Search for a browser app like Web Browser X and use it to visit the Crunchyroll website and stream content directly. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.